Swift Playgrounds. It's a coding app designed by Apple to teach you how to code. So let's have a quick look at how it works. Just a wee word of warning there, you need Catalina on Mac OS, so that's for your MacBook Air, Pro and iMacs, if you're going to use Swift Playgrounds. When you first open it, you're not going to have any of these playgrounds because you have to select them from more playgrounds at the bottom. And when you do, so if I want to put in, the brick breaker, so just going to select that, it'll move it up to the top and then it'll download it from the App Store or one of Apple's servers. The first playground that I would advise you to do is Hello Byte, because it introduces like the commands that you can give initially and that kind of world that you're about to get into. Let's have a look at, not Hello Byte, but let's have a look at Learn to Code 1. What we've got here on the left hand side, you've got your commands and instructions section, and then on the right hand side you've got Byte in his three-dimensional world, and I love these little like waterfalls just flowing down either side. Something to pay attention to in this world as well is where you see these little line dividers. That's like a step in terms of move forward. So every time you type in move forward or Byte moves forward, he only moves forward one step. So you can see here I've got a few steps around the place, and this will become more important as you move through the levels. What we're going to do now is we're going to put in some code for Byte to collect this gem. Now, two things you can do. You can either type it in, and it is case sensitive. So for example, if you don't put in a capital F, it won't work. Exactly, if you put in a small f, I'd try to run that code. Nothing will happen, except it'll give you an error message. So that's pretty cool to introduce that concept of coding. And then if you don't want to type it in, what you've got at the bottom here is you can just click on these instead. So we know that we've got, count them, 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps to move forward. So I've already put in 1, so let's put in 2 more. And then finally we need to collect the gem. So I'll put in my 4 commands now, and you can see I don't need to worry about typing mistakes because I've clicked on these options at the bottom. And then when I'm ready, I'm just going to click on this button here to run my code to see if it works. So let's see if it works. So you can see Byte moving forwards 1 step at a time for each move forward command, and then finally collect gem. Look at that, happy days. Byte is happy, we're all happy. You've also got some feedback at the bottom. Congratulations, you've written your first lines of Swift code. Happy days. So that's a quick overview of Swift Playgrounds, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.